Hello, welcome back to GHANAFUNTUBE. Guess where I am? I'm in Dubai, and this is St. Regis. Let's get into the building. Let me show you this beautiful hotel. Oh my God, let's review this hotel. Let me show you how gorgeous this hotel is. Hello, bro. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to Nakheel Mall. I just want to show you guys a little bit about this mall, and then from there I can take you guys to the beautiful aura. I mean, the most tallest 360 degrees infinity pool in the world. Now at the moment, this is the Nakheel Mall. I'm just here. I want to order some food, and then from there I can take you guys, show you guys around the mall. And this is how the mall look like. I'll just do a bit of walking, and I won't walk too much. This is just about 5 minutes, a quick tour of the beautiful mall, and then from there you can head straight to the aura. Please do me a little favor. Please do like the video. Give the video a big thumb up. This mall is located in the Palm Jumeirah. So this mall here is in the same place where St. Regis is. If you go to the ground floor, there is Waitrose. There is all the shops. Waitrose, you can get a lot of produce like water, Fanta, Coca-Cola, even spices like chilies, even non-alcoholic beer. You can get a lot in Waitrose, which is downstairs. And also, if you go upstairs, the Nakheel Mall station, I mean the monorail station, is down there. At the moment I'm just stopping here to show you guys how beautiful this mall is. Then I'll go get some food. Beautiful mall. I'll flip the camera so that I can show you the other side of the mall. So this is our last day of staying in Dubai, and I just thought while I'm here, you might decide tomorrow, next week, or next year you want to stay around this part of Dubai, and maybe this video might help you to show you guys how the Palm Jumeirah, how it look like. It's beautiful. There's a lot of shops here. There's a lot of food courts. I'm going to the Chinese restaurant there. I'm going to order some food. Probably show you guys how the food look like. This is the mall. Let me flip the camera so that you can actually see where the mall is. So here is the name of the mall, Nakheel Mall, and then these are all the shops here. And also there's a Soho Garden also here, and if you watch my videos from the St. Regis, you probably got the whole view of the Soho Garden. And this is just the most beautiful thing I've seen in the mall so far. It's so picturesque, so Instagrammable. So if you want to get some pictures, this is quite a nice place to get some beautiful pictures. I'm wearing masks, so I think my voice is a little bit muffled, so please, yeah. So please do me a favor, yeah? I'm really sorry. And I've been swimming all day and it's hot. So I'm going to get some food now. I'll speak to you guys later. So I just ordered my food there. They said 30 minutes, so I'm going to go out now, show you guys how beautiful these parts of Dubai actually look like. As I was telling you guys earlier, on top here there's Soho Gardens, a very beautiful view. Then the top there, that's the St. Regis pool as well. So I'm just going to walk around this gorgeous park and show you guys how beautiful these parts of the city look like. Let me flip the camera so that we can stay here a little bit. So in a few minutes we'll be heading to this beautiful 360 infinity pool, which is down there. I'll try my best to show you guys a lot of pictures, footage. There, the top there is the view. You have to pay to get in. And then just below that, that's where we're going, which is the Aura. And also the top there, there's a Shishamba, the Shishamba. If you watch my videos, I did a video in Shishamba, London. Ronaldo was there, Anthony Joshua also was there this month. So guys, please stay with me. Let's tour this part of the Palm Jumeirah. Please, if I don't pronounce it well, please do bear with me. So this road here, this road will lead you all the way to West Beach. On West Beach, you have to pay to use the tables and the sitting. So if you just want to swim, you have to pay to one of the restaurants there before you dip in. So at the moment, I'm just showing you guys how beautiful this part of the Palm actually look like. And this is the different angle of this gorgeous tower. This tower is actually at the bottom of the Palm Island. So if you look at the picture, you see like the palm tree. So let's take it this way. So here's the palm tree. Here's the branches. So the hotel is actually down here at the bottom. Does that make sense, guys? If it does, please do give the video a big like button. Right, so let me take you guys there. Awesome, right? I'm going to pause the video here, then I'll continue later. So I just met a gentleman outside who took a nice picture to me. His name is Isaac. He's from Uganda. You know, there's a lot of Africans working here, which is really nice. And these guys actually been taking good care of me. Like where we staying, there's a lot of them. They just make our holidays so special and so welcoming. And you know, that's the good thing I think I like about this Dubai. It's pretty amazing. I'll definitely be coming back again. It's just the best place where you can create content, and I think people will like this type of content. This is just the end of our trip, and there's a lot of places to eat as well, you know, and I can't wait to edit the videos and show you guys all this amazing raw content of Dubai, you know, because people must struggle to eat food, like authentic food in Dubai. People thought maybe everything in Dubai is very, very expensive, but yesterday we had some amazing food in a Bear Dubai, I mean, where the gold souk is. It's pretty amazing. I really enjoyed the food there. And one of the local people came to me actually saying, I can see you enjoying the food because I was eating with my hand. So it's been a pretty amazing experience so far. I'm just waiting for my Chinese food and I can go home. Go back to the room and munch it, then head to Aura, which is up here somewhere. All right? Speak to you soon. I think my food is ready now. I think she's just serving it. I'm going to have this food now and then head to the top. So look, this is my food. You can get a lot of food in Dubai as well. So I'm just going to the hotel now and then I can continue the rest of the video and then show you guys how beautiful the Aura look like.